Good afternoon everyone and welcome to the today's session Role of Ayurveda in today's healthcare scenario. I am Shivang Khandelwal and I will be the host for this session. Ayurveda is an ancient Indian medical science. It is a natural healthcare system thought to be the mother of healing. It teaches how to achieve optimal physical, mental and emotional health by living in harmony with nature. In today's session, we will talk about role of Ayurveda in today's healthcare scenario with Dr. Abhik Moitra, who is the founder and managing director of HBG Medical Assistance. Welcome to the session, Dr. Abhik.
Thank you so much, Shivang. Good afternoon to all our viewers. Well, thank you for the introduction of Ayurveda, but I would like to correct here. It is not only about healthy living in harmony with the nature, but it is also about treatment if someone goes sick. Ayurveda actually is an age-old science of treatment. It is an age-old science of medicine. People do speculate that it is even older than the Indus Valley civilization. However, we have documented proof that it has been there for Vedic ages, which is about 5,000 years old. So there are recorded documents that this science has been there, and Indians and Indian subcontinent people from Indus Valley civilization and the other civilizations have been using Ayurveda for treatment purpose and purpose of healing, even if when they fall sick, not only about wellness and keeping themselves well, but it's also about treatment once if somebody falls sick. If you want a little bit of brief about Ayurveda. Well, Ayurveda means that the whole body, Veda is the science and Ayur is about the aging, it's also about diseases, it's also about how a person lives. It has been documented that most of the diseases are caused by imbalances in our body. The whole set of diseases have been broadly categorized into three sets. The first ones are related to what? Which is how the cells divide in our body. It's very much similar to the modern sciences. The second one, which is about Pitta, is all about our metabolism and metabolic systems in our body. The third one, which is Kapha, is about growth and anatomy of our body. It talks about muscles, it talks about bones. And if you look into this broad category, you will find almost every disease falls into this. Further, these three broad categories are also divided into 20 gunas. So almost every disease will find its place in Ayurveda sciences. Then how do they treat it? Instead of, I would say, by natural ways, I would say there are complex herbal molecules which are available in nature. It is about discovering those molecules and using them for treatments. It is also about how mineral impacts our metabolism, how the mineral impacts the day-to-day functioning of our body, and how we can use the same minerals and metals to treat variety of diseases that may have caused because of certain imbalances in our body. And that is all about Ayurveda, how Ayurveda is approached. It's a perfect science. There is a research behind it, and there are documented research evidences that this is the cause of a particular disease and this is how it can be treated. It is not only about ancient sciences, it's about day-to-day modern sciences. And I would stop short of saying that today's allopathy is actually an offshoot of Ayurveda.